Bright yellow, slightly bitter, and incredibly powerful, turmeric is one spice that has stood the test of time. For centuries, this golden root has been used in traditional medicine across Asia and other parts of the world. Ancient healers believed turmeric had the ability to cleanse the body, fight illness, and promote long life. Today, modern science is beginning to confirm many of those beliefs. But what really happens to your body when you start drinking turmeric water every day? Is it truly as powerful as people say? Today on Eatable Facts, we're exploring 9 amazing health benefits of drinking turmeric water daily, and why this simple drink has become a favorite among health-conscious people around the world. Let's get started. 1. It strengthens your immune system. One of the most well-known benefits of turmeric water is its ability to support the immune system. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help your body fight harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that may cause illness. Drinking turmeric water regularly may help your immune system stay strong, especially during periods when infections are common. 2. It helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health problems. Curcumin in turmeric has been widely studied for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Because of this, turmeric water may help relieve discomfort associated with conditions like joint pain, arthritis, and muscle stiffness. 3. It supports healthy skin. Healthy skin often begins from within. The antioxidants found in turmeric help fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. By reducing oxidative stress, turmeric water may help your skin appear clearer, healthier, and more radiant over time. This is one reason turmeric has long been used in traditional beauty treatments. 4. It improves digestion. If you struggle with bloating, indigestion, or stomach discomfort, turmeric water may offer relief. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, a substance that helps break down fats during digestion. This process supports smoother digestion and can help reduce symptoms like gas and bloating. A healthy digestive system also allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. 5. It helps detox the body. Your body naturally works to remove toxins every day, mainly through the liver. Turmeric helps support this process by encouraging the production of enzymes that help break down and eliminate harmful substances from the blood. Drinking turmeric water regularly may help your body maintain a more effective detoxification process. 6. It supports heart health. Heart health is closely linked to factors like cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and proper blood circulation. Curcumin may help improve the function of the inner lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium. When blood vessels function properly, it becomes easier for blood to flow throughout the body. Turmeric may also help regulate cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of certain cardiovascular problems. 7. It may help protect against certain diseases. Because turmeric contains powerful antioxidants, it helps protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress has been linked to several chronic diseases. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help slow the growth of abnormal cells and reduce the formation of new blood vessels in tumors. While turmeric is not a cure, it may play a supportive role in overall health and disease prevention. 8. It may support brain health. Curcumin may also benefit the brain. Research suggests it may help increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, often called BDNF. This protein plays an important role in memory, learning, and brain function. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to conditions such as depression and age-related cognitive decline. By supporting healthy brain activity, turmeric may contribute to better mental clarity and memory. 9. It may improve mood and reduce stress. Many people are surprised to learn that turmeric may also support emotional well-being. Some studies suggest curcumin may help regulate certain brain chemicals involved in mood. This may explain why turmeric has been traditionally used in some cultures to help manage stress and improve overall mental balance. How to prepare turmeric water. Making turmeric water at home is very simple. Start by boiling 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup, then pour the hot water over it. For better absorption, add a small pinch of black pepper, since black pepper helps the body absorb curcumin more effectively. You can also add a little lemon juice or honey to improve the taste. Stir well and drink it warm. Many people prefer drinking turmeric water in the morning before breakfast or before going to bed. Turmeric water is a simple drink, but it contains powerful compounds that may support many aspects of health. From strengthening the immune system to supporting digestion, heart health, and brain function, this golden spice continues to prove why it has been valued for centuries. Sometimes the most powerful health habits are also the simplest ones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Eatable Facts for more interesting facts about foods that can improve your health naturally. And tell us in the comments. Would you try drinking turmeric water every day?